Due to school getting in the way all the time, I am sorry for not uploading that much. Well, now we have Monday, which is tomorrow, and Wednesday off of this week. So, there's gonna be a little bit more uploads this week. So, that's some good news right there. Hello everybody. Welcome to the Cars Police. I am your host, Rescue Squad Trooper, and we are doing a chosen review that I chose to do. And in this video, we are going to be reviewing Stephenson the Spy Train. So, this is a plastic toy, pretty big. So you can see, his eyes are paper stickers. None of this is a diecast. Forgot to close this. None of this is a diecast. But here, these little things right here, it's pretty cool. This is a button right up here. So, let's see what happens when we press that little button. And a 1, and a 2. And 1, 2, 3, go! If you guys saw, or if it was too quick, missiles pop out. So the missiles are just pretty simple, little gray, little sticky thingy-majigs. So they're not too special, but they do add a cool effect to this character as a toy. So we should wait. Okay, so there we go. That's the front of Stephenson with the missiles. Now, I think this is pretty much the main part of Stephenson. He could be like a carrier for your cars. So, let's say, like, I was smaller before, and I used to bring my cars in a bag when I was small to my grandma's house. So, I don't bring them anymore, of course, because there's more than 400. And how are you going to bring 400 cars to your grandma's house if you're bored? Well, here's a simple, like, carrier. Just open this. Then down here, same thing as well. So you could fit 10 cars. So, for example, we're going to put in McQueen. Get in there, McQueen. Alright, we're going to put in McQueen. Got Francesco. Holly Shiftwell. Yep, this spot is going to actually be a little special thingy-majig. Then McMissile. Don Crumlin. Petrov Trunkov. Professor Z. Graham. Acer. And last, for this little empty spot right here. Which one? Heike or me? Well, I'm actually the host who's supposed to be reviewing, so Heike can go in here. Alright, so you can actually put any car in here, except for the deluxes, of course. The deluxes are way too big for this little carrier. So here we got the diecasts in their spots. And then you could just close it up. And there we go. And then you could travel these little cars wherever you want to go. Let's say he's going to Porto Corsa, Italy. But now to take him out, it's pretty simple. course, you open it. So we can easily take these cars out. So have a nice time, little cars. Now here, this is going to be a surprise. You don't have to be like this. You don't have to be like one at a time and stuff. A little easier way to get these guys down, hopefully none of them fall on the floor, is that there's a little button right here. As you can see, right here, this is the little button. You press that button, voila. As you can see, they came down. Oh, and poor Petrov flipped over. Poor Petrov. Poor little guy. Alright, let's get these guys out. And then the way you can put this back is just do that. That's how I do it. So once again, this was released a few years ago. I think it was released when Cars 2 first came out. At the time when the diecasts were coming out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Stephenson. He's pretty much like a carrier. So you could easily put your cars in there, travel. If you have any others, you can easily go and carry around with them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow me on my page on please like my page on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe, comment, like, and share for more, and the support is greatly appreciated. Thanks again, and I am out. Stephenson, get ready. Goodbye.